something special here tonight. We got Adam Fender in Hardwood Fork. He's dedicating this pool to a special person. He's going to dedicate it to Alan Dixon.
Oh my God! Did you hear that?
What y'all think about that little ride? My Dodge fans think he's going to bring it all the way. I think I heard two people. Y'all think he's going to bring it all